Deep below the iron stone, past roots and bones and time unknown, a clock was carved in secret flame, its gears untouched by war or name. It does not tick with sun or moon, but beats a slower, older tune. It's heard in floods and dreams in dust, the rhythm of the ones who must. No hand can turn it, no king command. It waits buried beneath the land. The clock beneath the world still turns, with every rise, with every burn. It counts the fall of every crown, and starts again when all fall down. Not built for now, not made for show. It marks the end, and seeds the flow. Ancients whispered into stone, a coat of blood, of dust alone. They knew the wheel would crack and spin, that time forgets and starts again. Each age forgets the gears below, but echoes hum where secrets grow. A tremor in the mountains cry, a warning pulse before goodbye. And when the final bell is heard, the buried clock will speak its word. The clock beneath the world takes slow. It watched the fire, it watched the snow. It saw the towers rise in pride, and watched them vanish with the tide. It doesn't sleep, it doesn't lie, it only waits to count goodbye.
Dust to dust and stone to flame, the clock will call us by no name. When silence reigns, the time is stirred, and everything becomes the word.
The clock beneath the world still turns, though none remembers, still it learns. Through every echo, cry and scar, it beats beneath what we once are. It waits in dark, but not in vain, to start the world again.